Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this case study application of trigonometry problem. Passenger boarding stairs, sometimes referred to as boarding ramps, stair cars or aircraft steps, provide a mobile means to travel between the aircraft doors and the ground. Larger aircraft has door sills 5 to 20 feet, 1 foot is equal to 30 centimeter high. Stairs facilitate safe boarding and deboarding. An aircraft has a door sill at a height of 15 feet above the ground. A stair cause is placed at a horizontal distance of 15 feet from the plane. Based on the given information, answer the following questions in part 1 and 2. Find the angle at which stairs are inclined to reach the door sill 15 feet high above the ground. What is given in this question? An aircraft has a door sill at a height of 15 feet above the ground. This is the door sill from top to ground. This is given as 15 feet. A stair car is placed at a horizontal distance. Stair car is, this is the stair car, is placed at a horizontal distance of 15 feet from the plane. From here to here is 15 feet. What we need to find in this question? First question is, find the angle at which stairs are inclined to reach the door sill 15 feet high above the ground. I will draw the drawing here. This height is given as 15 feet. The horizontal distance is given as 15 feet. The angle at which stairs, this is the staircase. This is the stairs. Here is the door sill. This angle we need to find, theta. We will take this is as a P, Q, R. Consider this is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle PQR. Tan theta is equal to angle opposite. This is opposite. Bigger side is hypotenuse. Another side is adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is PQ divided by adjacent is QR equal to PQ value is 15. QR value is 15. Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. This is the first question answer. Next, second question. Find the length of stairs used to reach the door sill. I will draw the drawing here. Here is stairs. This is the door sill. Length we need to find. Theta value we know 45 degree. This value is 15 feet. This value is 15 feet. PQR. Consider triangle PQR. Angle opposite, this is opposite. Bigger side is hypotenuse. Another side is adjacent. We will take hypotenuse formula. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is PQ, hypotenuse is PR. PQ value is 15. PR value we need to find sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 equal to 15 by PR. PR goes this side, root 2 comes this side. PR is equal to 15 root 2 feet. Length of stairs used to reach the door sill is 15 root 2 feet. This is the answer for second question. Instead of sin theta, you can use cos theta also. The answer should be same for sin theta and cos theta. Next, third question. A. If the 20 feet long stairs is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to reach the door sill, then find the height of the door sill above the ground. I will draw and show you the drawing. This is the stairs. Door sill is here. What is given in this question? If the 20 feet long stairs is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So here is 60 degree. This distance from here to here is given as 20 feet. Then find the height of the door sill above the ground. So height of the door sill above the ground means this is the ground. Door sill is here. So this height we need to find. We will take h. This is ground. I will draw the triangle here. Here is 60 degree. This value is given as 20 feet. This value we need to find. PQR. Angle opposite, this is opposite. Biggest side is hypotenuse. Another side is adjacent. Now we will solve the problem. Consider right angle triangle PQR. This is right angle triangle. What we need to find? This height we need to find. Here is opposite. Given data is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse is what formula? Sine formula. Sine 60 degrees equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is PQ divided by hypotenuse is 20. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to h by 20. Cross 20 root 3 is equal to 2h. 20 root 3 divided by 2 is equal to h. Cross 10. H is equal to 10 root 3. H is equal to 10 into root 3 value is given as 1.732. H is equal to 17.32 feet. This is the answer. Height of the door sill above the ground is 17.32 feet. Next, B question. What should be the shortest possible length of stairs to reach the door sill of the plane 20 feet above the ground? Length of stairs, you see stairs is here. This length we need to find. The door sill of the plane 20 feet above the ground. So this height is given as 20 feet. I will draw the triangle here. This is stairs, door sill, here is ground. Door sill of the plane 20 feet above the ground. So door sill 20 feet above the ground. So this distance is given as 20 feet. So this length we need to find. If the angle of elevation cannot exceed 30 degree, so we will take only 30. Cannot exceed means don't go above 30 degree. Also find the horizontal distance of base of stairs cos from the plane. So we need to calculate this distance also. What we need to find? We will find horizontal distance of the base of stairs cos from the plane. Next, shortest possible length of stairs to reach the door sill. Consider triangle PQR. Tan 30 degree is equal to angle opposite, this is opposite, biggest side is hypotenuse, another side is adjacent. Opposite by adjacent equal to opposite is PQ divided by adjacent is QR. Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 is equal to PQ value is given as 20 divided by QR. Cross this. QR is equal to 20 root 3. QR is equal to 20 into 1.732. QR is equal to 34.64 feet or 20 root 3 feet. Horizontal distance of base of stair car from the plane. The answer is 34.64 feet or 20 root 3 feet. This is the answer. Next, we need to find the possible length of stairs to reach the door sill. Sine 30 degrees equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is PQ divided by hypotenuse is PR. PQ value is 20. PR we need to find. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cross this and this. PR is equal to 20 into 2. PR is equal to 40 feet. Shortest possible length of stairs to reach the door sill is 40 feet. This is the answer. Thanks for watching this video.